Ladies and gentlemen, I'm now going to take you through the safety features of this Boeing 737 aircraft. The safety card in your seat pocket in front of you highlights the emergency procedures on board. Please study it carefully. There are 2 emergency exits at the rear, 2 over-wing exits, and 2 at the front. Please take a moment to locate your nearest exit, keeping in mind that your nearest usable exit may be behind you. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and unfastened like this. In the unlikely event of having to evacuate, emergency lighting will guide you to the exits. If oxygen is required, masks like this will appear from the panel above your head. Remain calm, pull the mask towards you to activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Fit your own mask before helping other people. Your life jacket is underneath your seat. To fit the life jacket, remove it from its container and place it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The life jacket may be topped up with air by blowing into this tube. There is a light and a whistle for attracting attention. Thanks for your attention, and we maybe take this opportunity to wish you a pleasant flight.
Can you pull your window up, please? Can you pull your window up? Call bell. Sit forward and can you pull the window up?
This is the captain. This is an emergency. Brace! Brace!
Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace, brace! Brace,
This is an emergency. Evacuate! Evacuate!
Fasten your seatbelts and come this way! Fasten your seatbelts and come this way! I'll check the galley in the toilet at the cabin. Aircraft secure. Sarah leaving left 1. Cabin clear. Natalie leaving left 1.